Thanks for checking out the X32 video series. In this episode, we'll look closer at how to connect the P16 personal monitor system to the X32. The P16 allows individual mixes to be controlled by the performer, perfect for live performances where musicians need to adjust their individual in-ear or floor wedge mix. It works great in the studio too. Performers can dial in the personalized custom mix they need to lay down the perfect performance. The P16M personal monitor can be plugged directly into the X32's Ultranet port using a Cat5 cable. You can also plug a P16D distribution unit into the Ultranet port, which allows multiple P16M units to receive the 16-channel feed from the X32. To route signals to the P16M, press the routing button, and then push the right page select button to navigate to the P16 Out tab. Use the first rotary encoder to select an output channel, and use the third and fourth encoders to select a source. Choose from any channel, direct out, or mix bus. The fifth encoder allows you to choose the point from which the audio signal is tapped for the P16M. Send a direct signal or one that's been processed by the channel strip. Now let's take a look at a typical X32 P16 system. The P16M has individual EQ controls for each input, a limiter on the output, a pan control, a level control, and the main encoder can even be clicked for an emergency kill switch. On the back, the line outputs can feed an in-ear monitor transmitter or a powered wedge such as the Behringer F1320D. The MIDI ports can be used with the BCR 2000 or BCF 2000 controllers to assign MIDI change command numbers to all functions on the P16D. The through Cat5 port can be used to pass the Ultranet signal onto more P16M mixers. Additional P16M mixers must be plugged into the wall with the included DC wall wart adapter. If using the S16, you don't need to use the Ultranet port on the back of the X32. The 16 channels of the P16 are carried down the same AES50 pathway, and the P16 monitor mix is then fed out of the Ultranet port on the back of the S16. Chain together multiple P16D units by connecting a Cat5 cable out of one P16D and feeding it into the input of the next P16D. It's easy to create huge P16 systems with 64 or more P16M mixer stations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on how to get the most out of your X32 mix experience.